Imagine a shark swimming in the ocean today that may have been alive before the United States even existed. This incredible creature is the Greenland shark, one of the oldest living vertebrates ever discovered, the Greenland shark. Often called the sleeper shark because of its slow and lethargic movement, lives in the deep, icy waters of the North Atlantic and Arctic Oceans. Scientists estimate that this mysterious shark can live between 250 and 500 years, making it the longest living vertebrate known on Earth. These sharks are usually found at depths reaching 200 meters in dark and freezing environments. Few other predators survive there. One of the main reasons for their incredible lifespan is their extremely slow metabolism. Greenland sharks live in water temperatures close to freezing, which slows down their biological processes dramatically. Because of this slow metabolism, their bodies age very slowly compared to most animals. Their slow life is reflected in their growth rate. A Greenland shark grows only about 0.5 to 1 centimeter per year. This is incredibly slow for such a large predator. It can take many decades for them to reach full size. Another remarkable fact is how long it takes them to become adults. Researchers estimate that Greenland sharks do not reach sexual maturity until around 150 years of age. For most animals, reproduction begins within a few years, but for this species it can take more than a century. Recent genome research conducted in 2024 revealed something fascinating about these sharks. Scientists discovered specialized genes related to DNA repair and inflammation regulation. These genes may help explain how Greenland sharks maintain healthy cells and survive for hundreds of years. Surviving in freezing Arctic water requires special biological adaptations. The tissues of Greenland sharks contain high levels of trimethylamine N oxide, known as TMAO, and urea. These chemicals act like a natural antifreeze, preventing ice crystals from forming and helping proteins remain stable under cold temperatures and deep-sea pressure. Even though Greenland sharks move very slowly, they are still considered apex predators in their ecosystem. Their top swimming speed is only about 0.6 kilometers per hour, which is slower than a human's normal walking speed. Scientists believe these sharks rely on an ambush strategy to capture prey. They may quietly approach animals like seals while they are sleeping, and then use a powerful suction mechanism to pull prey directly into their mouths. Greenland sharks are also opportunistic feeders. Their diet includes fish, squid, and carrion found on the ocean floor. However, stomach content studies have revealed something surprising. Researchers have discovered remains of moose, horses, reindeer, and even polar bears inside some Greenland sharks, showing how wide their diet can be. Their teeth are also highly specialized. The upper teeth are thin and pointed, designed to anchor and grip prey. Meanwhile, the lower teeth are broad and square, forming a structure that acts like a rotating blade. This allows the shark to slice and scoop chunks of meat from its prey. One of the strangest features of Greenland sharks is a parasite called Amatocoida elongata. This copepod parasite attaches directly to the shark's cornea. The parasite causes scarring on the eye and can even lead to near-complete blindness. Despite this disadvantage, Greenland sharks continue to hunt successfully in the dark depths of the ocean because sunlight barely reaches the depths where they live. Greenland sharks rely heavily on other senses. Their sense of smell and hearing help them detect prey in the pitch-black environment of the deep sea. Interestingly, Greenland shark meat is naturally toxic when fresh. The high levels of urea and TMAO can create a toxic effect sometimes described as a shark drunk state if consumed without preparation. In Iceland, however, the meat is made safe through a traditional preparation process. The shark meat is fermented and dried for several months, creating a famous dish known as hackle. Despite their incredible lifespan, Greenland sharks are considered vulnerable on the IUCN Red List. Their biggest threats come from accidental capture in commercial fishing nets and the growing impact of climate change on Arctic ecosystems, with lifespans that may stretch across centuries, incredibly slow growth, and mysterious deep-sea adaptations. The Greenland shark is truly one of the ocean's most fascinating living time capsules. Subscribe to Vibeverse for more mind-blowing facts about science, nature, and the hidden wonders of our planet.